Alright, welcome back guys to the channel. Today was a good day. It was a very good performance. The boys played very well. Fabio Gama had a fairly good debut, but he needs to sharpen up in order to match with the quality and the pace of the Ghana Premier League. I was pleased with Kwame Opoku. He was the man of the match. Obviously, he was very good. If he has more supplies or more passes, he's going to score more goals. So I'm very happy with the way things went today. Christopher Nate was played up front alongside Kwame Opoku and William Mensah. That was questionable, but he had a lot of chances. It could have been 5-0, 6-0, but he couldn't finish. His end product wasn't that good enough, and he needs to improve if he's going to play up front next time. I'm actually pleased with the defense. Abdul Ganiu and Yusuf Mubarak, they were very good. Samuel Frimpong was brilliant. Aimoro was good. The midfield, Edom Frimpong, recovering balls and giving some accurate passes and all that. He played very well. Then Emmanuel Sokode, I think he should keep it simple. If he keeps it simple, I think he's going to be one of the best midfielders in the Ghana Premier League. So overall, it was a very good and impressive performance. I'm pleased with the guys. I'm pleased with the overall performance, and I hope they keep this momentum going into the next games. And I think this will be like a catalyst or a fuel to pump us up for the next upcoming games in the Ghana Premier League. It's a very good performance. Then as for Emmanuel Jimfi, he was dropped. He was dropped to the bench. I don't know why. I'm going to ask Justin Smith when we go to the press conference room to ask him why Emmanuel Jimfi was dropped to the bench. But I think everything played very well today. Yes, everything played well today, and we played very well. And I think Justin Smith told the boys to go out there and win the game in the first half, and that was what the boys did, and I'm very happy with the result. So I think that's all for now. I'm going to upload more videos later. So till next time guys, goodbye.